way to IKEA right now. Oh my god, I don't have a mic on it. Got the mic. You ready? We're going to IKEA to look for a new desk. And we put the back seats down, so hopefully it'll fit. I'm not too sure yet though, but hopefully it'll fit. What the fuck was that? Everything's in this box? Huh?
Way to go, gentle giant.
Huh? What?
Nothing.
Okay. What is it? Is it down there? Oh, okay. Why can't we just take one of those?
Oh no no no. Oh no no no.
I'm done before somebody takes my camera. 32.43. $41, $42, $43. This is not it. These are not it. Oh, it's right here. Oh, this is lighter than I thought. Way lighter. Oh! Whoops. Help me.
What are you talking about? I went to get the basket.
So I forgot a curtain. So now we gotta go back and get this. Should I get a plant? He told me the curtains were down here, but I don't see them. Where? Where? Okay, she didn't lie. They're back here. They don't have no 98s. So I think this is the one. These are 98s. You think I should get these ones or no? These look a little weird.
How are these weird? They're
They look like...
This is not cheap. What are you talking about?
This is what happens when you're in IKEA. You come for one thing and then you leave with 20 other things.
No. Don't you even play me like that? Oh my god. Oh my god. You better hope that shit's not scratched.
See if it fits. Over or under?
Over.
Over on it fits?
It's not gonna fit.
Oh, it's not gonna fit?
I hope so.
Yeah.
Should I raise my seat up?
Alright, we got it. I don't know how, but we did. And now she's gotta sit like this.
Fuck you. Fuck off.
We had to put the bath out.
Yeah. So we ended up getting it to fit in the car, but we were too lazy to build it last night. So today we're gonna try and build this. Hopefully it only takes like, what, 30 minutes?
Fuck no.
An hour?
I'd say 2.
2 hours? To build 2 drawers?
And the desk. You still have the risers, everything on there. It's gonna take 2 hours.
30 minutes, 35 minutes.
It is 10:19. We will update you.
It's 9:15 right now. We'll let you know. What'd you say?
My want to work here.
You want to work here?
Yeah.
Take the trash. This one's good to go on this, right? Where does that one go?
The bottom.
This is the bottom.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is, because the bigger drawers.
Oh, I didn't even see it. Sorry, my bad. I'm just saying. Shut up.
What is that?
What is that?
Oh.
Yes, you do.
I don't not go there. I want to go in the kitchen and mine never go there.
What? Ow! Oh. Done. The desk.
Just a time update. It did take us all of 2 hours.
It's 9:52.
It's 12:46.
9:52. These things. For the top of this. We gotta put these in the little risers on all these 4 corners so that the whole tabletop can just sit flush with it. Nope, other way, other way. This way, this way, this way. Good job. Keep going, keep going. Whoa, shit.
What? What?
That was almost bad. Alright, so we got the 2 drawers together, but now we're doing the countertop. And I'm trying to put these in place and put this middle support beam in, because this is one of those 78 inches desks. I just feel more comfortable with like a support beam, and then later I'll probably end up putting like right angle supports that are drilled like to the studs in the wall, just to support even more here, because I plan to probably eventually do like a full wraparound L-shaped desk of this. Alright, so I got these on. What I ended up doing is I had some Velcro, so I just cut them into little pieces just to put them on top of here, and then I'll put the same things on the desk just so that they're a little more secure to the desk so it just doesn't slide off. Okay, so this is like day 4 or 5 now of doing this. We got pretty much everything done. We got the desk, the curtains hung, my monitors put up. I'm waiting on my audio stuff to get in here. I still have to cable manage. I still have to hang up like these random like lights that I have back here. I just have them like strung over that for now, but we're getting close. But yeah, we're almost done. So I'm gonna wait for the audio stuff to come in. Hopefully by tomorrow it'll come in, and then I will hook all that up and then do the cable management, hang up those lights, and then I'm probably gonna call it good for now. I do still have to paint this wall that I started. I started this like 2 months ago and I never got to finish it. I highly recommend the IKEA Desk. It's a little higher than I thought it would be, but the drawers made like such a difference, and the ability to be able to like put it on risers so that I could mount the monitors and mount things all the way across. Like I said, I look at all this as like a business investment. So for some people, they'll say like, you know, you really don't need all that right now. And you're right, 100%. I don't need all this right now. But for me, I'd rather grow into it and know that if quality content is not being made, it's only my fault. It's not like because I don't have enough stuff to be able to make quality content. Does that make sense? Like I said, I think a little backwards on that, but I honestly think that part of the reason why I'm where I'm at is because of that way of thinking. Like even tattooing, I started off with like an Amazon machine, but like within a week I got like a Bishop wand shader, like a nice professional tattoo machine. Even though I was nowhere near the level to be able to utilize that machine's full ability, I knew that the only reason why my tattoos were not coming out good was because of user error, not because of the machine. You know what I mean? In every area of my life, I pretty much have this same way of thinking, and I really do think that that way of thinking has gotten me to where I'm at right now. So like, for instance, I'm a small creator right now, but I know that going into the future, if I have all the right gear, I can really focus on practicing my skills of editing, shooting video, live streaming, and hopefully with having made the investment into certain things that I won't really run into too many problems. So cross your fingers. Like I said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be pumping out a bunch of content, and let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? What should I upgrade? What should I downgrade? Should I switch anything? Should I just let me know on your overall thoughts of the setup so far? And yeah, catch you on the next one.